I got you on lock on like a fucking rocket launcher. Shit. That was nice. Oh yeah, you're not even close. Let's go. Pick it up if you got it. Oh, that is smooth. Whoo! A little twist and turn. A little twist and turn. Whoo! Up she goes. Oh shit! Lost it. Okay. Wow, you should see that view. You should see that fucking view, man.
As long as you got that on film, I'm good.
I got that all on film, man. Those ones are hard to get, but right there, Brad, right there. Smash something there. You should have flew right there. Yeah, right there. There we go.
A loop and a barrel roll, all in one shot for you, folks.
There it is.
There she goes.
Damn, damn. That's beautiful, man. That area there is nice. It shows a nice view and it shows a play. It shows your skills off, man. Right there, yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay.
Nice flyby though.
Nice flyby. I barely caught that.
Nice flyby.
So you're gonna land it. Oh fuck. Come in for the landing. Come in for the landing. Come in for the landing. Starting to rain. Be calm with it though. Who cares about the rain? Be calm with it. There we go. Not bad. Not too bad at all.